how to use Instant Recall.
VPI's Instant Recall tool is easily accessed by a click on the desktop. The call taker or dispatcher logs in with a unique ID and password. To connect to a specific logger that manages the recordings of his or her channel. Once logged in, the Instant Recall application remains active and current for the user throughout his or her workday. Typically, each call taker or dispatcher can only access their own calls, while their supervisor is enabled for access to all calls taken or made by the group they are responsible for. Now we are viewing phone or radio activity on the channel that is set up for access by the user that has just logged in. The call that is currently underway is presented as a default. The interface provides the phone number, caller ID info, start time, and elapsed time information. The Instant Recall is buffering audio for playback and will hold the amount of time that has been configured by the system administrator. As default, these calls are displayed chronologically, from latest to oldest. Older recordings with the age that is outside of the Instant Recall buffer can be easily retrieved with the recording application's web-based interface. The Instant Recall application provides intuitive, easy-to-use playback controls. The play button starts audio playback of the call immediately as it is being buffered for the user's workstation. This back arrow is a jump back that will take the user back a few seconds and will play the recording from that point on. Users can also rewind or jump to the beginning of the call. Additionally, users can fast forward to any position in the call, or they can jump forward several seconds at a time. There is also a call search capability within the Instant Recall tool. When users select this box, it's going to expand and provide a list of the user's recent calls. A supervisor view would provide a list of calls from channels of multiple operators that report to the supervisor. Operators also have the capability to add comments or flags to the interactions directly from the Instant Recall screens. These comments and flags are then searchable in the main web-based user interface vPortal. The Instant Recall tool can be easily dragged to anywhere on the desktop. When speed of playback is important, no other software solution is as reliable as VPI's.
For more useful VPI training tips, visit www.vpi-corp.com/training.